Today on the Adventures of DeeJayBe unboxing series, I am unboxing some Feed Your Potential freshlean.com meals made with fresh organic ingredients, because that's why you clicked on this video. I'm just kidding. This is another model horse unboxing, and this is a resin model horse unboxing. If you don't know what a resin is, it is a very hyper-realistic sculpted model horse that is casted by an independent artist and then sold to customers to paint. These are two very unique model horses that unfortunately don't belong to me. These are commission horses, but I thought it'd be fun to unbox them and get my reaction. One of them is super rare and I'm very excited to have him in my presence. But we'll start with the Lean and Fresh box. Oh, interesting. This is like, it's like a whole thing, and like model is inside there. Because these are commissions, this person has sent her in a pony pouch. I keep all the original packaging that the people send the models in. She's smaller than I am anticipating. Toilet paper roll. Us model people love our toilet paper. This is like 3-ply, which I should keep and use in my house because I don't even buy 3-ply for my own butt. Wow. So this is Sadie Shoefly, and she is sculpted by Lynn Fraley, and she just has such a charismatic style about her and super spicy. I'm really excited to paint this one. She's gonna be kind of a varnishy looking Appaloosa. She is not prepped though, so I have to do the prepping on her, but that is a-okay with me. This one looks pretty normal, and this horse is significantly larger. This one I'm really excited about. This was a commission request I received, and I was so excited to have the privilege to work on a model like this. Oh, so cool! Wow, wow, wow. Wow. So this is the resin sculpture called Rose Rainer, and it is a stock horse in like the classic reining position with the low head and everything. And I've always been drawn to this model. I just feel like it's really anatomically correct. It's sculpted by Sarah Rose, and Sarah Rose has a very clean style. Such intricate muscling there. So much fun. So I've always really liked this sculpture, and he is going to be a loud blanket Appaloosa, and he comes with this sandy base, which just has some sandy texturing on it. So that's so fun. So these are 2 of 3 first commissions that I have accepted. This is the 3rd one. This is Ulium? I'm not actually sure how you say it, but so he's a big drafted boy. He's really fun. I can't remember who sculpted him. I want to say Jennifer Scott, but he's really fun, and he is primed and ready to go. That is my trio of first accepted commissions. I started with 3 to not overburden myself. I was always told I would get into resin models, and I always denied people that I would, and here I am like ogling over resin. Thank you so much for watching, and happy customizing.